What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and this is Product Reviews, coming at you today with another video, another unboxing video of something that I've got a few of now, but I figured I'd just do a video of it to kind of showcase what it is in case you're curious about getting one or whatever. Actually didn't pay anything for this one. Thank you, credit card rewards, cash back, but let's go ahead and get into it. It's always fun setting y'all up directly in front of me so that I can do this. This right here, as you can see, is the Blink video doorbell. Bring it a little closer. You can have it battery or wired. Day and night HD live view. Two-way audio. Online or chime alerts, excuse me. Works with Alexa. Features may vary with configuration and settings. Quit blurring. Additional features available when wired or with the Sync Module 2. Sold separately. Oh my god. Some more stuff on the side if y'all want to pause and read that. Pause and read that. There's the back. There's that. I like to pause and read that. It's up to you. This top, bottom, plastic, kniff, so we can remove the plastic. Now, if we really want to start like saving the environment, quit using so much damn throwaway plastic that can't be recycled on everything. Just, some 2 cents there. Okay, let's see if we can figure out how this thing opens, because I did, figured that out pretty quickly. It just slides right on out. Nothing else in there. Here's what we're left with. I think it slides out once again. Felt like it did. I think it's got a tape or whatever right there. I am doing this all through the camera, so like, is that tape or is that, I guess that's a sticker. I don't know, that's part of the box. I guess we're gonna cut it anyway now though. Got that side. I think this side has one too. No, this side does not have one. Okay, that opens. That opens. Here is a little piece of paperwork right there that is currently attached. Okay. That That's just talking about the base plate and how to set it up, attach it, all that good stuff. Here is your camera. It's got all its plastics on it. There's where your batteries go. All that good stuff. Probably peel that off in just a minute. Because I want to go ahead and set it up while we're sitting here. This is your base plate, your backing plate, whatever. This is what it's this is what goes on the wall or wherever you decide to put it. And this attaches to, kind of like that. Let's see what else we got here. We got some screws and some stuff for some drywall. Got like a template that we're probably not going to use either. Got some paperwork. It's folded up very small. Pretty sure this is batteries. I mean, what else would it be in there? Yep, batteries. Set that over there. I don't know why this crap keeps getting stuck in here, but okay. There's nothing else in there but these wires right here to ground it out. I think if you need to, if you're going to wire it, don't need those because we're going battery. And this is a little tool you use to separate the back plate and the camera itself. Okay, so get all this crap out the way. Only keep available when I'm going to need right this second. Let's go over here. Where is it at? There. I took off the back plate here. There's in my hand. We're gonna go ahead and set this up and let y'all see what she looks like. Get rid of some more of this plastic because we don't need it. We don't want it. Let's get rid of it. Doesn't really want to come off. What? That is not all the plastic on this thing. I guess it is. Let's snap our back plate back on, or battery cover, whatever you want to call it. Plastic is not coming off very evenly. It keeps tearing. Okay, finally got it all. Alright. I would imagine y'all want to see me set this up. That's what I'm thinking anyway. No. Let's get you where you can see. Okay. So we're gonna hit video doorbell. Okay. Continue. Next. Next. I had the batteries in wrong somehow. Kind of doubt it. my screen. I'm doing stuff. It's not doing it yet. I'm trying to set you up on camera and you ain't even gonna want to work right. Man, that's some crap. Probably something I'm doing wrong, but still. Something isn't right. Flop the batteries around. I really wish I had some better lighting right now. Okay. Oh, tell me system is busy. Why do they keep telling me system is busy? try this over again. It sounds like a good idea to me. Video doorbell. Continue. Continue. Apparently it's updating the software in the camera itself, which is pretty cool. Now she's not blinking red, she's flashing red. And she stopped flashing red. It says doorbell set up. Okay, we don't need none of that. We're good here. Next. Okay. This one's in my hand currently. We're gonna see. You see me. Seeing you. Seeing me. So there it is. There's the camera. I'll show you it set up after I get it all finished. But that's how it works. You can adjust it. You can change all kind of motion settings. You can do everything with it. You can change the name of it or whatever. But these cameras are honestly pretty awesome. Totally wireless, motion sensing, all that good stuff. So as always, thank you so much for watching the videos. Oh, I got stitched. This Indian style is killing me. But thank you all so much for watching the videos. Thank you all for checking out. Some of my security setup. I have other things, but the cameras are just helpful when you can record things. I'm kind of running out of words to say, so we're going to end the video here. This has been Product Reviews, bringing you another product for you to go check out. Currently right now on Amazon, these and many other things are under their Prime deals, so you get a fair amount of money off of things. I mean, I've seen up to 57% off certain things, so go check it out if you're interested. They're very, very convenient for what they are. I mean, I'm pretty impressed with them most of the time. The only complaint I think I have is I wish there was sometimes less background noise that the camera's picking up, because it washes out other noises that you're actually trying to hear. It's almost like having white noise over what is actually going on. Other than that, pretty damn good cameras, no complaints. And that's all. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.